Hi students, today's topic is interpolation. Interpolation means to finding the value within the range. Okay, that means inside this table. So look here. Here the x values are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, suppose we are asked to find f3, it means we are doing interpolation. That means finding the value within this range. And if you are asked to find f11, if we are finding f11, that it means we are doing extrapolation, means finding the value outside the range. So interpolation means filling up this gap. Okay, uh, that means finding the value within this range is 2 to 10, so within this range if we find any value, then it is called interpolation. There are three methods of interpolations. First one is algebraic methods. These are algebraic methods. First one is Newton's forward interpolation formula. Second one is Newton's backward interpolation formula. And third one is Lagrange interpolation formula. So look here in this table, arguments are equidistant. Okay, so first if we are asked to find f3, so 3 lies in the first half of the table, so we go for this formula, for first formula, that is Newton's forward interpolation formula, because this formula will give appropriate result. Okay, just because we are doing the estimation here without knowing the form of the function, we are trying to evaluate the value of f3. So since the value lies in the first half of the table, so we apply Newton's forward interpolation formula here. Suppose we are asked to find the values of f7. In that case, we apply Newton's backward interpolation formula. So this formula is applicable when the values are lies at the second half of the table. Clear? So for this two formula, first we have to check the arguments are equidistant or not. Then we have to check the value lies in the first half of the table or second half of the table. So accordingly we use this two formula. Okay. Now look at the second table. Here arguments are not equidistant, so we can't go for this two formula. So here we go for the third formula, which is called Lagrange interpolation formula, since the arguments are not equidistant. So when arguments are not equidistant, we go for the third formula, which is called Lagrange interpolation formula. So we will I will explain this three formula in my next videos. So we will go one by one. That is, first we will study this Newton's forward interpolation formula. Thank you.